Mugomo wa madagitari uria wigirite thiku ya 41 ni uthiite na mbere gwakiriria ndereti itiganite na Miario ya kuariria kurehe uiguano. Guku minista wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha agithingiria ati thirikari ni irikitie kurekereria kigina kia muigana wa shilingi bilioni 2.4 cia madagitari arutwo akiria gigukorwo gikurugamirwo nginya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Shilingi bilioni 3.5 cia mathire ma mwaka wa 2017 nginya mwaka-ini wa 2024 cia kuriha mathire ma madagitari na bilioni 1.5 cia thibitari cia muingi hamwe na bilioni 2 cia thibitari cia andu kiumbe.
Review of what has been done already, would like to confirm that the Ministry of Health has managed to get 3.5 billion for payment of salary arrears from 2017 to 2024 June. This will be paid in 5 installments each financial year. Equally, the ministry has received 2.4 billion for payment of internship. And I want to clarify that this 2.4 billion is available to the ministry. Up to 1.5 billion has been paid to all government facilities that were owed. And lastly, 2 billion has been paid to private health facilities. I would like to tell the service providers that by the end of today or latest tomorrow, they need to check their accounts because these monies have already been wired.
Na hari ndumiriri ya muikariri giti wa kanju ya magavana Ann Waiguru neugite ati thirikari cia county ni cirikite kuiguithaniria hari kuriha madagitari indi madagitari ya matigana guthikiriria uge wa kanju ya magavana.
A new collective bargaining agreement that the Council of Governors will initiate and coordinate the process of negotiating a new CBA with every county government within 30 days from the date of execution of the return to work formula. Governments shall make payments of the basic pay salary arrears accrued to the doctors as contained in the CBA 2017-2021 upon receipt of a conditional grant from the National Treasury.
Na ciugo iria cikorĩtwo cigĩkĩrwo hinya nĩ gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga akiuga atĩ maretereire kiama kia madagitari gwĩkinya nĩguo gwĩkĩranĩra kĩrore na kanju ya madagitari nĩguo gwĩkĩranĩra kĩrore na kanju ya magavana ĩndĩ madagitari aya matinekinya
tukiandikanĩra na tũgĩkanĩra kĩrore twetereire muthenya wa ira atĩ tũgũka tũcemanie nĩgetha tũhũre mĩhũri na madagitari maitũ macoke wĩra. Tũrakinya gũkũ torĩa twarĩkanĩire thaa 8 turaikara kurakinya thaa 10 madagitari matinakorwo mokite turaikara nginya thaa 1 nirio turacokire kumenya mauga matingioneka na maguthi na mbere na mugomo na ni wega kwira muingi wa bururi uyu ati kahinda ni gakinyu gatwiyurie kana nitugutura tuthinikaga ni undu wa andu mareciria uhoro wa mbeca matiganiria andu makue.
It is most unfortunate that the doctors have deliberately refused and ignored or disregarded the courtesies extended to them.
Guku Nakhumicha akiranira gwikinya igoti-ini wona madagitari maga kunina mugomo uyu madagitari na magwetetwo ta aruti a wira a muingi aria matari na tha no indi kiria mararumbuya ni mbeca undu uria uthiite na mbere kwarahura ciuria nyingi makiria hari mugomo uyu.
The doctors are therefore insensitive to the suffering and plight of the vulnerable Kenyans in dire need of health services.
Aya nake mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari